Bridges over water channels face significant challenges like hydrostatic pressure and soil saturation. These issues can lead to structural degradation, increasing maintenance costs, and risking safety. Understanding these problems is crucial for effective bridge management. Traditional drainage solutions often fail in high moisture environments, unable to cope with persistent water pressure. This inadequacy results in erosion and compromised structural integrity, demanding innovative solutions to ensure long-term bridge safety and efficiency. Jet Filter's maintainable weep holes offer a groundbreaking solution. These weep hole assemblies relieve hydrostatic pressure and prevent soil erosion, ensuring long-term structural integrity. This 4-inch weep hole component, featuring 26.03 square inches of filter fabric, significantly increases erosion control, offering 200% more surface area than traditional piping. The innovative design ensures easy maintenance and inspection, crucial for long-term efficiency. By addressing the root causes of drainage issues, this advanced drainage technology enhances the durability and safety of bridge structures in challenging environments. The Keene Road Bridge, a 1953 structure in St. Lucie County, Florida, underwent critical drainage improvements using jet filter weep hole assemblies. This project, overseen by the Florida Department of Transportation, replaced one of the last wooden pile bridges in the county and realigned the north-south canal. By strategically installing maintainable jet filter units on the steel sheet piling, the project effectively reduced water pressure and will prolong the bridge lifespan. The installation will help extend the asset's service life and reduce future maintenance costs. By effectively managing hydrostatic pressure, the bridge's structural integrity is preserved. The County Highway Agency regularly checks the bridge to ensure its safety. After Hurricane Irma in 2017, an inspection found severe damage due to the hurricane and lack of maintenance. This has emphasized replacing the bridge for safe and efficient travel across Taylor Creek. Regular inspection and maintenance are vital for drainage systems. Jet Filter's design allows for easy access and cleaning, ensuring continued efficiency and reliability. This proactive approach is essential for sustainable infrastructure management. By adopting jet filter solutions, you can enhance the longevity and safety of transportation infrastructure. Let's work together to implement these innovative systems in similar projects, ensuring robust and efficient drainage solutions for the future.